know what makes me tilt my head in confusion like a fucking confused dog? People who expect me to stick around after they've openly disrespected me and expressed how unimportant my presence is to them. Sorry, not fucking sorry. But if you choose to treat me as an option, then I will gladly and wholeheartedly choose to leave you as a bold fucking choice. What I certainly am not going to do is waste my time by making your time priority. Fuck that. This life is a two-way fucking street. You earn respect when you give it, and you get left in the dust when you disrespect me.